Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how you can get unlimited reviews in chess.com. Now, if you want to review or analyze a game that you've done in the past in your game history, if you are playing on a free account, which means you don't subscribe to a membership, you can only do one analysis or one review per day. So if you want to have unlimited, by the way, before I show you how, there are videos out there that say, oh, you need to do this, you need to download this extension, you need to download this app. Please don't do that. That is just going to make you more susceptible to getting malware or any viruses online, or might get hacked, or your personal details or information might get pretty much stolen by just hackers and just people on the internet that sell information. If you really want to have unlimited reviews on your chess.com, it's pretty simple. You need to be subscribed to a plan. So you need to have, as you can see here on the left hand side, it says free trial, right? So you can try out membership for free for 1 month and then just try anything else here. Most of the time, it's going to be the diamond membership that will cost pretty much around $10 per month, so that you can actually have an infinite amount of reviews or analysis for each game you play. Pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.